The children, exercise 6.4, first head. Express each of the following percent as a fraction in the simplest form. Here 4 A, B, C, D 4 sums are given. How to solve these sums? Once see the children. First one, 15%. Percent, you should remove the percent, write in fraction form 15 by 100. Okay, 15 by 100. Here both 5 here 0 is there. This numerator and denominator are divisible by 5 table. 5 3s are and 5 2s are 20. That is equal to 3 by 20. 3 by 20. Now see the second one, 35%. This one also 35 by 100. These two are divisible by 5 table. 5 7s are 35. 5 20s are, that is equal to 7 by 20. Okay. Now third one, 50. 50 by, remove the percent means you should write out of 100. 50 by 100. 51s are 52s are 100, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now fourth one, 75%. 75 by 100. 25, otherwise you can cancel by 5 table. 5 2s are, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are, 5 20s are. Again these two are divisible by 5 table. 5 3s are, 5 4s are, that is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. This one in all are in fraction form. The second head, express each of the following fractions as a percent. Here some fractions are given, you can convert into percent. First one, 15 by 2. 15 by 2, this one fraction, convert into percent, you should multiply by the 100. Remove the percent means divided by 100. We want percent means into 100. One, see the children. 15 by 2 into 100. Okay. 2 1s are, 2 5s are 0 and 50 times. Now multiply 15 into 50. 15 into 50. That is equal to 15 5s are 75 and 0. Okay. 750. This one answer. Okay. 750%. Should write the percentage symbol also. Okay. Now see this one. This one in mixed fraction. First convert into the improper fraction. Denominator and whole number you should multiply. These two are multiplied, add the numerator. That is equal to 8 into 4 plus 1 by 4. 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 33 by 4. Here write 33 by 4 into, we want percent, into 100. 4 1s are, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are. You should multiply 33 into 25. Inside you should multiply 33 into 25. 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 3s are 15, 1 16. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. 5, 12, 8, 25. This answer is 825%. 825%. Okay. Like this third sum also. First you should convert into the improper fraction. Denominator and whole number should multiply and add the numerator. 4 into 5 plus 3 by 4. That is equal to 4 5s are 20 plus 3, 23 by 4. 23 by 4 into 100. Into 100. Again 4 1s are, 4 25s are. Should multiply 23 into 25. Again here multiply 23 into 25. Okay. 5 3s are 15, 1 5 2s are 10, 1 11, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 5 7 5, 575%. 575%. Okay. Now this one, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. You should write 10 by 3 into 100. That is equal to, here any cancellation not there, that's why 10 into 100, 1000 by 3, 1000 by 3%. You can divide 1000 by 3. 1000 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 10, again 3 3s are 9, 10, again 3 3s are 9, 1. 333, 333, 1 by 3%, 1 by 3%, okay. Some express each of the following ratios as a percent. Given ratios are given, you can convert into the percent. 3:5, this one you should write 3 by 5, write in first fraction form. You want percent means into 100, that's all. 5 1s are 5 20, that is equal to 3 into 20%, that is equal to 60%. 3 2s are 6, 0, 60%, okay. Now let us see the second sum. 5:8. 5:8. You can write 5 by 8 into 100. Into 100. You can divide it by 2 table. 2 4s are 2, 5s are 10, 50. Again 2 table. 2 and 2 25s are. Okay. 5 into 25. 5 into 25 by 2. 5 into 25. 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 125 by 2. 125 by 2%. You can divide it by 125 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 and 5. Sorry, 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 and 5 and 2 2s are 4, 1. That is equal to 60 to 1 by 2%. 60 to 1 by 2%. Okay. This one is 60 to 1 by 2%. Present as a decimal, we kept point and here 5, 10. 62.5%. Okay. We can represent as a fraction or a decimal form. Third head, see 2.5:55. Here decimal number is there. We can remove the decimal, you should multiply by 10, and this one also should multiply by the 10. Okay. 2.5 into 10 is to 55 into 10. 2.5 into 10, the decimal move one digit after 25. This one is to 550. 550. Write in the fraction form 25 by 550 into 100. 0, 0 cancel and 25 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 5 11s are 5 into 10. That is equal to 5 into 10 by 11%. 5 10s are 50 by 11%. Convert into decimal form 50 by 11 and 50. 11 50. Okay. 11 4s are 44 and 6. You can put decimal 0. 11 5s are 55. 5 and again 0. 11 4s are 44. 6, that means 4.54, that is equal to 4.54%. Okay. Next this one, last one, 4:36. 4 by 36 into 100. Into 100. Here 436 divisible 4 1s are 4 9s are 36. 100 by 9%. 100 by 9 we can divide it by 100, 9 table. 9 1s are 9, 10, again 9 1s are 9, 1. You should write 11 1/9%. Or you put decimal 0, again 9 1s are 9, again 0, that is equal to 11.11%. Okay. Like this you can convert into the fractions into ratios into first fraction, after this convert into the percentage form. Express each of the following percents as a ratio in the simplest form. Here percent is given, convert into the ratio forms and simplest form also. Percent, remove the percent means you can divide it by 100. 12/100. Here both are cancelled by 2 table. 2 6 jar, 2 50 jar. Again 2 table. 2 3 jar, 2 25 jar. That is equal to 3/25. But ratio form, you should ask ratio form 3:25. Ratio form is 3:25. Second one, 25%. 25% means 25/100. 5 table, 5 5s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 0. Again 5 1s are 5 4s are. That is equal to 1/4. Ratio form 1:4. Okay, 1:4. 45%, 45/100. These two are divisible by 5 table, 5 9s are 5 20s are, that is equal to 9/20. Ratio form, this one is fraction form. Ratio form is 9:20. Okay, 84/100. Okay, 84/100. This one you can divide it by 2 table. 2 5s are 50, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. Again 2 table 21 and 25, that is equal to 21/25. Ratio form 21:25. Ratio form is 21:25.